Hi there, everyone. This is a first recording of HelioTactics LLC, and I am Frey Brownson. I use they, them pronouns, and I'm just creating this little snippet to introduce you to our world. We are a consulting firm for renewable energy and engineering firms. We are dedicated to facilitating large group interactions. We also do training programs in justice, equity, diversity, and inclusion, so DEI work. And we are exceptionally well knowledged as STEM individuals, as science, technology, engineering, and math experts in the project development process and the larger supply chain of solar energy and renewable energy projects that have been expanding with great vigor into the world. Really hope that you will reach out to us. We are at heliotactics.com, and the overall goal here is just to start this little web episode that gives you a peek into our lives. And my partner, Leah Motimaya, and I would just like to invite you to check out our site at HelioTactics. Thank you.